Evening everyone. I've had a fantastic day today. I've run so many of my vintage saws, it's been a bit extravagant really. So I was supposed to show somebody the video of the spectacular Husqvarna 61 and just haven't got around to do it, so apologies for that. So I thought quickly tonight, it's quite late, but I'll show this spectacular saw in operation in cutting. So they have spectacular history, Husqvarna, as lots of you know, and started life in '59, the company, with the famous 90, and actually we need to do a video for that one soon as well. And so this is the Husqvarna 61, started life in 1980, approximately 1980, and 48mm piston, 34mm stroke, just over 61 cc's, make a genuine 4.1 horsepower, run up to a 24-inch bar. This one's running a period Oregon bar, 15-inch, brand new, brand new Oregon full chisel chain, and the saw's in beautiful condition. Is excellent chain brake's in lovely condition, no brakes to the top cover, lovely all round, no brakes to the side cover. A little baby tiny little divot on the underside of the handle is out, felling spike present. Just a beautiful example of the saw. Handle wrap excellent, everything on the saw working. Make sure that is off. Spectacular compression engine. Let me show you how this girl runs. So spectacular engine, just great compression, beautiful idle, and just a gorgeous example of this particular saw. So this has got the type of dark grey, not quite like not quite black, like the dark grey. I'm not sure actually what colour they refer that to actually. Looks like dark grey, and I've got some conifer set up. Let me show you what this girl cuts like. And so in the next 2 days I have, unbelievably, after saying the other day I can't get any more saws or accept any more, I have another, I think it's 18 saws that are arriving. So I'm a little bit panicky as to where they're all going to go. Obviously they're things of beauty. And as a few elderly people have told me, and I repeat after they've said it to me, you know, you can never have too many saws. I hope that's true. Right guys, let me show you what this girl performs like. So just just fantastic workhorses and just a wood weapon, and they are, you know, they're iconic for a number of reasons, and one is they are built to last. The AV system on them is great. The chain brakes are excellent. The later versions went to the plastic brake, as a lot of you will know. The earlier versions have this beautiful flag, this gorgeous metal chain brake, and she has the rubber chain catcher at the back, no brakes to the side cover, exhaust is in lovely condition. She's just a beautiful, beautiful example of a saw which is fabulous in the workshop, but also just a great tool to use. Restarting wise, she's effortless. Right, going to pull that wood across, take a couple more discs, and then hopefully that will have answered the questions for a few of you out there. And so it's interesting, the guide bars, they state suitable for these, so I'm not sure if I've ever run one of these past 20-inch bar, but so I think on paper they do generally show they could run a 24, and I've got to say they certainly feel powerful enough. I absolutely love the 61s, and I love the look of this as well in the Rancher with the white top. Right guys, let me there. Okay. Right, let's take a couple more discs. Not too many more, it's quite late. So this is starting without throttle lock. Hey guys, so lots of you already know they're spectacular, but again, if you're buying one, it's always nice to see them running and going through whatever that was, 10 or 12 cuts, and completely effortless. Just a beautiful, beautiful work tool. Just an annihilator of wood. Very little paint missing on the front of the engine, a tiny bit actually, just by the exhaust bolt. So very, very little done with this saw. And as I say, other than a tiny piece missing on the underside of the plastic here, she's in perfect condition. Hey guys, thanks for watching. That is the ever impressive Husqvarna 61. Hope that answered all the questions. If not, please just re-message, and any other details I can give, I'll be pleased to do so. Stay safe, guys. Bye for now.